Hello there, Mr. Boom here, and welcome to our brand new analysis of June. And we're going to analyze the market for the next week. Okay, so as you can see there, I just selected here 4-hour time frame for this week. As you can see, here is 4-hour time frame, and let's analyze the market properly. I already draw few support and resistance and trend line. Okay, as you can see there, I just draw a trend line over here. Okay, let's enable screen write option, so it will be very helpful for us. So screen write option enabled, and as you can see there, I just draw 1 and 2 trend line on that area. Okay, and there is a major support zone over there. 1 2 3 support line is in this area, and this is another resistance zone for now. This is another one for now, and there is another one. Okay, each and every day market just trying to follow our support and resistance zone, as you can see there. So there is a lot of time market just starts and go ups or down from this zone or this area. Okay, so before I start the proper analysis, we need to do something, or we need to draw some few momentum, and let me make it, or let me move it. So if we think about the downtrend, as you can see there, just trend line cross from that zone, so there is a possibility to go sell from that line. But if we want to sell from H4 time frame perspective, so we have to wait till pullback around that zone, and then again we can sell. Okay, our SL should be 50 pips and our TP should be 150 pips over there. Okay, if we take risk reward ratio 1:3, that means 1 is risk, 3 is reward. So if we are your SL 50 pips, so our TP should be 50 into 3, that means 150 pips. There is 1:3 risk reward ratio. Okay, so this is the this analysis from the trend line perspective. Or if we follow the support and resistance zone, so maybe it was around that zone. Okay, so if we follow that, and as you can see there, where is the trend line almost crossed. Okay, so that means from my perspective, Monday's day will be sell. Okay, and let me move H1 time frame. So if we try to see H1 time frame, let me remove some few. So if I zoom in over here, so if we want to draw trend line, maybe there is a trend line. Okay, trend line. Then again we want to draw another trend line over here. Okay, as you can see there is the clear view from the trend line perspective. So H1 time frame. Okay, as you can see, H1 time frame, and market just trying to move here, engulfing buy confirmation. That means market can go buy. That's why I already tell you, or I already show you previously, there can be a pullback, then again we can sell over from that zone. That means it just drop again, it just trying to go up or following our trend line, and then again it will sell. So our sell zone should be around that zone. This is from H4 time frame, as you can remember that. So this is for the H1 time frame perspective. And if we want to draw support zone over here, let me zoom out a little bit more. So if we want to draw a support layer, so maybe it can here. Okay, H1 time frame. Okay, 1 2 3 4 5 time. Okay, maybe it's trying to drop, or it will go up from that zone. So we will wait for long term, we will wait for a pullback. Then in our H4 time frame trend line, we can easily take a sell entry. Okay, but before that we have to wait for a pullback. So let's go on 15-minute time frame. That means a smaller time frame for now. As you can see there, it's also working on that trend line. Let me remove the support zone, and as you can see there, here is a trend line. Okay, and just market go break this zone, go down, give us a pullback, and boom. Okay, so market was following that from last week. We took a buy entry, maybe you can remember, if you are especially free or VIP channel, I sent a buy entry on this zone and we took around 110 pips, and then again go to cross our trend line and moving average, that means this trend line, and we took another sell entry over there after the USD session. During the news time, my news was negative, any minus, that's a gold fly, and after that there was a lot of sell pressure on Friday, that's why market go down. Okay, just we took sell entry over there, and if you follow my live stream, you also can see there is almost 150 pips plus, 150 pips plus profit running on my live stream, that means FTMO account on YouTube. Okay, so we properly took those two advantages, that means from that zone to that zone and that zone to that zone. And I just told one thing, that was pullback. Okay, as you can see, the market just go down and give us a pullback. Okay, if we follow this through, there is this line is breakout, this red line, and this green line is pullback. Okay, for the trend line. Okay, there is a pullback and we took sell entry, we made around 200 pips, and it's running right now 150 pips plus. So for now, this trend line is valid. Okay, for 15 minute time frame. So as you can see there, it's just trying to grow up till around 2351 to 2353. Okay, it will go up. So for now we have to wait for the market start or market open, and if you are following this sell entry, that means holding this sell entry, you must have to move your move your SL on entry or on here or on here. So if it go up, it will give us a breaker plus BE, or if it will touch our plus BE, then we can easily take another sell entry from that zone or that zone. So that's for now from my perspective. I will post many other or any other analysis on the market opening time or the market running time, Monday to Friday. So maybe there is a lot of major news from Monday, start from Monday, so we have to wait for that. So hopefully all things clear now. If you have any question, you can join our Telegram channel and ask our Telegram admin, or if you especially seeing this video from YouTube, you can join our Telegram channel for free signal, free chart analysis, and much more. So that's for today. Happy trading, have a nice day.